if you're new here, then welcome. I'm Jessica with French Farmhouse Flair, and today I just wanted to share with you guys a few little DIY projects before I get to my summer home tour. There was a few things that I wanted to get done first. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, using this Dollar Tree cute lemon paper that was only $1 for, it's a magnetic little notepad. I've been cutting the lemons out for my DIYs, and I am going to go ahead and attach some lemons onto my little truck door here because I do have a bunch of little tiny lemons in there that I thrifted. I got a whole little Ziploc baggie of those cute little lemons from the thrift store, and for a whole bag of them, it was only $1.25, guys. So they fit back in this little truck so perfectly. So I'm just going to take my tape here and attach the tape to the back of my paper here. So such a little simple, quick, easy little thing. And I've already done this to my larger black truck, so I will insert a picture of that to show you what that looks like as well. So now this little truck is ready to go sell at the farmer's market. Okay guys, this little sign I purchased from Walmart on clearance for only 25 cents. I believe it was like 75% off, and it originally said homegrown with veggies on it. And I am just painting it white with my craft paint over the homegrown with the veggies, and I'm going to be just leaving the green border around it. I think it goes really nice with my lemons and the leaves, the green leaves on next to the lemons. So I think it goes together nicely. And I am just using that same paper from the Dollar Tree store and applying it on with my paintbrush, using Mod Podge from the Dollar Tree store as well. And I think it's turning out so cute, and it's gonna go really nicely with my other lemon decor that I have for summer around my house. Okay guys, keep in mind too that if you do not have this little sign at your Walmart store, that you can also use just any little sign you may have around your home that you'd like to redo for a DIY project. Or you can also get a little sign from the Dollar Tree store. I always see little signs there as well. So, so many different options if you wanted to try this project at home. I'm just going to go ahead and tie on a little black and white checked ribbon that I already had to the top of this little sign on the wire little hanger here, and I think it turned out super cute. Okay guys, now I'm going to make lemon and lavender faux cakes. Everything I'm going to be using is from the Dollar Tree store. First I'm using this floral styrofoam, and that, or at least that's what I think it's called, and for my cake. And then for my frosting, I'm using lightweight spackling from the tool and paint area of the Dollar Tree store. And then I'm just using the yellow craft paint that I purchased from the Dollar Tree store as well. And now I'm cutting up a plastic lemon to use on top of my cake, but I didn't like that, so I ended up using a little lemon that I bought from Target Dollar Tree Spot that actually is supposed to go on a straw, and it comes in a pack of 4. So I just used that instead because it actually fit the size of that cake better. I think I'll end up using the bit larger lemon on top of this larger cake that I'm making now. And I really am happy with this lighter color pale yellow. That's what I wanted with that darker yellow paint. When it mixed with the white lightweight spackling, it did give me that pale yellow that I wanted. And I'm just using these little tiny florals that I picked up also from the Dollar Tree store, and I'm just adding a few here to the top of my lemon. And the lemon I just purchased in the children's section actually at the Dollar Tree store in the plastic faux food area with the toys. And now I'm going to be making a round, a little bit larger round cake, and I'm going to be making this one with the wanting this one to be the lavender one. So I'm adding the purple craft paint from the Dollar Tree store, and it just takes a little bit. I actually added a little too much of the purple, so I add in a little bit more white to lighten up the lavender color that I want. Keep in mind though, if you want to try this project at home, don't add too much paint. Just try a little bit at a time and add it in slowly, and then stir and mix it up to get that color that you want, because this did make the spackling a little bit more runnier than I would have preferred for it to be for this cake. You can probably see the difference in the texture of it versus the yellow lemon cakes. So now I'm just adding more flowers here to the top, and then the other half of the lemon that I cut in half. So as adding a little bit of lavender on top here as well.